Hello everyone, my name is Melanie Moore and I'm an international student here at Aberystwyth University. I was born and raised in the sunny Cayman Islands located in the Caribbean Sea. Now, before coming to Aberystwyth University, I was slightly apprehensive because it is certainly a long distance away from home, 13 hours on the plane to be exact. But all of my worries diminished as soon as I arrived in this unique, welcoming town. Today, I'm going to talk about why Aberystwyth is a great choice for those who wish to study in the UK. If you have any questions at the end of this video, please feel free to contact us. Aberystwyth, affectionately known as Aber, is a very special and much-loved town in the heart of Wales. Students practically double our population, making Aber a uniquely busy and bubbling hotbed of intellectual and social activity, which is also safe, friendly, welcoming, and easy to get to know. It's the perfect place for you to study. The university campus overlooks the town from Penglais Hill, and both campus and residences are just a short walk or a shorter bus ride from anywhere in the town. Aber's smaller size means your funds will go further, because you won't find your money eaten up by daily commuting costs, and you'll get plenty of exercise exploring the beautiful Welsh countryside. Aberystwyth lies in the middle of some of the finest scenery in Wales, with the wild and wonderful Cambrian Mountains, and the impressive Dyfi Estuary right on our doorstep, and the world-famous national parks of Snowdonia and Pembrokeshire, just a short distance to the north and south of us. And there's nothing better than joining your friends around a bonfire on the beach, watching the sunset over the Irish Sea. Aber enjoys mild summers up to 28 degrees centigrade and frosty winters with very occasional snow. Minimum temperatures would be about -6 degrees centigrade, but it's more often milder because of the warming influence of the sea. Now, students coming from tropical climates like myself need not to worry. With the right warm clothing, you'll acclimatize in no time. Aberystwyth has a bilingual community speaking both English and Welsh, one of the oldest living languages in Europe. English is predominant, so you don't need to speak Welsh to come here, but if you are interested in learning, there are plenty of opportunities for you to discover this rich and historic language and culture. Our town is also the proud home of the National Library of Wales. This is one of the UK's 5 copyright libraries, entitled to a copy of every book published in the UK. With an enormous store of knowledge, from medieval manuscripts to modern works of art, this is a wonderful resource for anyone coming to study in Aber, and a fascinating place to visit in its own right. Aberystwyth University currently has 3 subjects in the top 150 QS ranking in the world: English and Creative Writing, Geography and Earth Sciences, and Agriculture and Forestry. Our International Politics Department, the first such department in the world, is considered to be the birthplace of the discipline of international relations. Additionally, the quality of teaching and research in our biological sciences courses, particularly plant and animal biology, is world-renowned. Whichever department you're interested in, you'll have access to renowned teachers and researchers, and an extensive choice of programs and courses. Aber also offers a generous scholarship package for international students and fantastic grants for students wishing to travel abroad and conduct research or volunteer in various organizations. You can find out more about this by clicking on the Fees and Scholarship link on the International section of the Aberystwyth University website. In addition, the university provides excellent study support services, so if you need help with your academic English, we can help. Our aim is to make international students feel confident in both writing and speaking in the medium of English throughout their studies. Last but not least, we also guarantee accommodation for our international students for the duration of their time here at the university. Aberystwyth is my home away from home. I have fallen in love with this little town on the coast of Wales, and it will be extremely hard to say goodbye. But as promised to my lecturers and my friends, I will certainly be back one day. Coming to university here has been one of the best decisions of my life and has opened many doors to a range of opportunities after I leave.